Frustrated by the Wpnapps.dll software error message? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows architecture specialist, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your Windows environment. For professional-grade Wpnapps library maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This is the Wpnapps library, the Windows push notifications for applications library. It manages the unmanaged orchestration of localized app host notifications. It facilitates the data link between background cloud events and the visual notification manifest in the shell. Understanding the file's role is a great start. Now let's look at replacing it. This error suggests a failure in the underlying Windows architecture. Open Command Prompt with administrator privileges and execute sfc/scan now to restore core system components, including the missing Wpnapps library DLL. In the event the error remains visible, it indicates we need to verify the environment's ability to register new shared resources. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Wpnapps library file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Next, we'll move beyond the basics. If your screen hasn't changed after the restart, follow me to step 3. If you need to pause the video while your folders load, don't hesitate. Because the reboot didn't resolve the integrity issue, we need to force Windows to rebuild its master file copies. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type dism space /online space /cleanup image space /restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, bypasses local file errors by pulling a certified master copy of the system image to replace files that SFC is unable to repair. It's worth taking a moment to discuss the safe acquisition of runtime components. Don't let a small error become a total system rebuild by trying to force install Wpnapps library DLL into directories where it doesn't belong. To reduce technical overhead while maintaining high security, here is a professional method for managing system-level file health. The link below points to a diagnostic utility that provides information on managing Wpnapps library and maintaining system stability. If this diagnostic helped you resolve Wpnapps library error, please like the video and subscribe for more technical insights and system stability tips.